Here are 20 must-know acronyms every online creator should master in 2026. Whether you're a YouTuber, a digital creator, or an online business owner, year 2026 comes with a new wave of acronyms and digital terms. Understanding them helps you read analytics faster, improve your content strategy, and communicate like a true professional. So in this video, I'll break down 20 must-know acronyms every online creator should master in 2026. With simple explanations you'll understand instantly. Before we start, consider joining us in this channel where we learn and grow together. And now, let's begin.
Number 1. CTR. Click-through rate. How many people clicked your video after seeing the thumbnail? A high CTR means your title and thumbnail are working perfectly. AVD, average view duration. The average time viewers spent watching your video. Higher AVD tells YouTube that your video is engaging from start to finish. RPM, revenue per mil. How much money you earn per 1,000 monetized views. This is your actual creator payout. CPM, cost per meal. How much advertisers pay YouTube for 1,000 ad impressions. Your niche strongly affects your CPM. VPH, views per hour. A quick way to check if your video is taking off. When your VPH rises rapidly, it signals a potential viral push. ATS, average time spent. A 2026 trending metric across Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. It measures how long users stay before swiping away. ER, engagement rate. Your combined likes, comments, shares, and saves. High ER equals a strong community that interacts with your content. S2V, swipe to view. Used for shorts and vertical content. It measures how many people actually watched after scrolling past your video. CPC, cost per click. Used in ads and promotions, it shows how much you're spending each time someone clicks your link or ad. ROI, return on investment. How much profit you made compared to what you spent. One of the most important business metrics for creators. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimizing your title, tags, keywords, and description so your video ranks higher in search. UGC, user-generated content. Creators producing videos for brands without posting on their own channels. A huge income stream in 2026. CTA, call to action. What you ask viewers to do, like subscribe, comment, or download. A strong CTA boosts engagement. SaaS, software as a service. Cloud-based digital tools like Canva, System.io, CapCut Web, or Google Workspace. API, application programming interface. A system that allows apps and platforms to communicate with each other. Most AI automations rely on APIs. AI, artificial intelligence. The technology powering editing apps, idea generators, automation, analytics, and content assistance. ML, machine learning. The part of AI that helps YouTube understand viewer behavior and recommend videos more accurately. UX, user experience. How easy and feasible your website, app, or content is to navigate. Better UX equals more watch time and more conversions. UI, user interface.
The visual layout and design of apps and websites. Clear UI makes your pages or tools look clean and professional.
CDN, Content Delivery Network, a global system that helps your websites, files, and digital products load faster in every country. Very important for creators selling online courses or downloads.
And there you have it, 20 powerful acronyms every online creator must know to stay ahead in 2026. The more you understand these terms, the smarter you create, the faster you grow, and the more successful you become. If you want more digital creator tips, tools, and shortcuts, do well to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.